Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Chapter 1 Quadratics, Exercise 1b. Question number 1. Express each of the following in the form of x plus a whole square plus b. It means that now we have to solve the quadratic expressions and equations by using a completing square method. Completing square method. So now, what is the completing square? The formula for this is x plus b by 2 whole square minus b by 2 whole square. And for the expression, it will be tilde. So now, what is the b? X always will remain same. What is the b? B is the coefficient of x. Here we have the coefficient -6. So first we will find the b by 2, which is -6 by 2. So it becomes -3. So let's substitute the values in the given formula. We will bring down same x. So instead of the b by 2, we will write it here -3 whole square minus and -3 whole square. So now x plus minus 3 whole square minus, and the square of the minus always will be plus, and 3 square is 9. So this is the required form we got. As a and b both was the constant, so the value of a we got -3 and the value of b we got -9. This is the required form. So part B is x squared plus 8x. Again, first we will find here the b by 2. So b by 2 is 8 by 2, which is equals to 4. So let's write down the formula here. The solution of quadratic expression by using quadratic formula, which is x plus b by 2 whole square minus b by 2 whole square. So now x we will keep same, b by 2 we found the 4, so it would be x plus 4 whole square minus the 4 square, and then x plus 4 whole square will remain same minus 4 square, which becomes 16. So now we got the required form x plus a whole square plus b, where the a value we got 4 and the b value, a and b both are the constant, so there would be any number. B is -16. So the part C is x squared minus 3x. The formula for the completing square, because we have x plus the required form x plus a whole square. So this means completing square. Complete square form we need to make. So by using completing square method we can solve it, which is now x plus b by 2 whole square minus b by 2 whole square. Then what is the b by 2? So here the b is -3, the coefficient of x. So it means that the b by 2 would be equals to -3 by 2. So let's substitute the values there. X, so plus, and then -3 by 2. It would be minus, plus minus minus, but let's write first 3 by 2 and whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square. it's equals to x plus minus 3 by 2 whole square minus, and the square of the minus will be plus. So the square of the 3 is 9, square of the 2 is 4. So it becomes x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 9 by 4, the solution of the given expression.